Hello from Forex Info US on Monday the 16th of November with a wrap up for last week at the beginning of the trading session for the next week. Our wave count still holds as of last week. The Euro US dollar pair was unable, it tried to make a new high and it didn't quite get there, and then it had a nice strong drop of 194 pips down to 1.4823, so that leaves our wave count intact because a new high wasn't made. Let's have a look and see where we were. So we've got on the daily chart 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up. Within 5 we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We probably could move 2 to here, or we could have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Either way, at the end of the day it doesn't make too much difference at this point. This last upward movement still bound by this parallel trend line, and this parallel trend line still hasn't been breached on the downside. It's still holding now again to this long trend line held since way back when in March. Let's have a look on the daily chart, hourly chart, and see what happened. So this is the end of wave C, which is the end of wave 2 at the pink fractal level up. So far, and I've got question marks against this, it could be 1, 2, 3 down, or it's more likely, I think, 1 down, 2 up. If that's the case, I'd move the upper band to calculate the Fibonacci up here, and we'd be expecting it to reach 1.6, which between posting, let's see, update it, which between posting the chart analysis on the blog and doing the video, it actually has. So moving the Fibonacci calculation from the high point of last week to the low point that it had on Friday, we expect it to retrace 0.618, so this is a wave 1 and this is a wave 2, most common target 0.618 Fibonacci ratio, and it has reached that, and it's probably going to hover around here for a couple of hours or so, maybe all day, until, let's see who's trading, until Asia wakes up and gets to work, and probably if it's going to follow last week's trend, it'll be staggering sideways during the Asian session, probably come to life a little bit during the European and British session, and then it will probably have some serious movement later on in the New York session. So we're expecting this week, let's have a look on the daily chart again here, we're expecting this week to see a series of strong downward moves, and I'm very curious to see if we're going to break through this lower parallel trend line that the pair's been bounded by for quite some time, since August. So that's what we're looking for this week. Of course, any further move higher to make a new high sees our wave count instantly invalidated, but we don't think that's going to happen. So that's all from us for the week's wrap up at the beginning of a new trading week for you from Forex Info US. We hope to have a British pound Elliott wave analysis for you, and possibly even a New Zealand dollar Elliott wave analysis for you at some stage this week. We also have a launch of Forex Pro charts coming very soon, and for those of you who haven't downloaded a free candlestick pattern guide, I urge you to have a go at this. It's fairly useful. You'll also be on our mailing list so that when Forex Pro charts is launched, we'll let you know. Otherwise, we probably won't be sending you many emails at all. And that's all from us at Forex Info US. May your week be a good one, and hopefully all your trades profitable. Thank you.